Hello everyone, and today I will show you everything you need to know about lobster fishing. The backpack has now been improved. On the first sea you will see a new island called Lobster Shores. This is where you can buy the lobster cages and new boats. You have different types of cages, and you can find more of them on the second sea. When you are talking to the shipwright, click on Utility Boats and you will find 4 new boats. Here is a quick look at the first boat. When you press X, a menu pops up, and since this is the lowest tiered boat, you can only use the old crab traps. This is one of the new weather events. You have the tornado here, and I think there can also be weather events like rainbows. I had to go to the second sea for this. But for the lobster fishing, you need to find these areas to place your cages. You don't need a fish radar for this. Next, just press X and select the cages you want to place down. You will have to wait for around 5 minutes for each trap to catch something. If you go to another part of the map, the cages will be highlighted so you can come back and easily find them. On the second sea there is a new island called Netter's Haven. You can buy different cages but also nets. A quick look at the 2 new level rods. You can unlock these at level 2000 and 2500. The first rod here is the Astral Hook rod, and one of its ability is similar to slashing, but it's more effective. Also reduces progress speed by plus 15%. It has the ability to spawn an enchanted pool. It has a lot of abilities. Next we have the Fang of the Eclipse. This is the level 2000 rod. This rod performs at its best during a solar eclipse, but at a cost. The control bar shrinks to -0.15 and the resilience also decreases to -40%, but it comes with a lot of positives like the Umbra mutation that is worth 15x and plus 50% progress speed. Also, the bar for the fish jumps up to 50% when reeling in. You can change between the nets and cages. When the cages are ready, there will be a timer. If the timer runs out, you will catch nothing. When you collect the cage, a minigame will pop up and you have to click on the white area. Even if you are on time, there is still a chance you will catch nothing, but that will depend on the cages you are using. I did catch 2 wave-borne lobsters, and let's see what one sells for. The test server was updated and you can see the locations for the lobsters and fish now. With the net you can catch shoals of fish, and when you are at the right area, click X and select the net. A minigame will pop up again. But like the cages, you can still catch nothing. Let's see how much these can sell for. Let me know what you think in the comments about this update, and thank you for watching.